Hello! This is Divine Needle. My name is Nell.
Andy.
We are a twin flame couple and we're gonna be doing a Celtic Cross reading for Capricorn. Yeah. I shuffled this deck with your energy into it. So, yeah, these readings are also timeless. So, whenever you watch it, we do believe it is your time to see it. So, there you go. Yeah, I'll pre-shuffle this, like I said. Let's start. Let's see what comes out for Capricorn. The Cappies! The Caps. What's the current situation for Capricorn? Oh!
The Capricorn card. But it was upside down, wasn't it?
No, it came out. I just dropped it and it was sideways. But it came out upright.
Okay.
The Devil.
Your own card, Cap.
Oh. That's not
Are
necessarily
you
a
feeling
bad thing.
caged, Capricorn?
That's not necessarily a bad thing.
No.
No.
Since that's the card that came out. Yeah, and it's their card.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what's the challenge with this Devil card? The Lovers! There you go.
I knew it.
You knew it?
Yeah.
Okay. What's been going down in the recent past for Capricorn? What's been going down in the recent past? Okay. 7 of coins. Cool. What's gonna go down in your near future, Capricorn? Go down in your future. Page of Swords. Interesting. Okay. What's going on in your conscious mind, Capricorn? 2 of Cups. Seems to be some romantic business going on.
Yep, it's leading twin flame reading.
Lovers, 2 of Cups.
Yep.
A few more and you have the jackpot. Yeah. Okay. What's going on in the subconscious for Capricorn? 2. Okay. Ace of Wands. And 9 of Swords. Okay. Okay. How do you see yourself, Capricorn? How does Capricorn see themselves? I feel I gotta take that one. King of Swords. He usually doesn't pop up a lot, but today I've seen him a couple times.
The super analytical king.
Yeah, the scientist of the deck, to me. Yeah. Okay, how do other people see you, Capricorn? How do other people see you? Okay. Sun card. That's cool. That's a good way to be seen. Definitely. Hey! Where did you came from? That's not good.
Question. Go ahead with the reading out.
You better not be doing nasty stuff. Kitty.
Ornery.
Okay. Hopes and fears for Capricorn. Kitty doing nasty stuff. Yeah, that was upright. 7 of Wands.
Defend your moral high ground.
2 sevens. Okay, and what's going to be the final outcome for Capricorn? Oh, let's reverse. 4 of Cups in reverse. Yeah. Okay, bottom of the deck. The Empress. That's abundance, embodying all the queens, very emotional. Fertility energy.
Creativity.
Creativity, also. So that's the underlying energy for this reading, Capricorn. Cool. Mothering energy. We had this before for Capricorn. Yeah, about a month ago.
Mm-hmm.
The same. Weird. Okay. Current situation, the devil. This could be talking about fear, envy, jealousy. All that energy. What was that? Did you put her up?
No, she's not in the bathroom. She's out. She's just doing her normal demon kitty. Demon kitty mode.
Okay, now, yeah, what I just told you, fear, envy, jealousy. That could be hindering you in your relationship. The lovers. That's a divine union. Yeah. Or a decision you have to make. This could be fear over a decision, but I feel it's more of a jealousy thing between lovers. How do you feel about this?
Oh. Sorry, I was giggling. The kitty cat is she's showing her rear end.
Mm-hmm.
She's on one. She's being ornery. Okay. Capricorn, that card is your card. So you are center stage in your own reading. So what's crossing you is a significant other.
That's it.
Yeah.
All you gotta say about it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, recent past. 7 of Coins talks to me about taking care of things for the future. Okay. Like it's depicted in this cards, nurturing the pentacles. This might even be your body. Could be your work. Career. Could even be your family. But it's taking care of business, taking care of the seeds so they will grow. That's basically the main meaning of this cards. Okay. Don't know what that might have been, but I got a feeling that it's about this center thingy here. What's going on? Okay. How you feel about it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Same thing. Okay. Your future, Capricorn, Page of Swords. You're gonna be learning about the situation. Okay. Maybe learning about a new idea, which will spawn or has been spawned in this situation. Okay. Maybe there's some trouble in your relationship. Maybe a significant other did you wrong, or vice versa, and either you or the other person are it's gonna go like, okay, I won't. I've learned from this. In the future, it could happen.
Yep.
Okay. And why do I believe this is legit in a relationship? It's because on your mind is 2 of Cups. That's also a relationship. Okay. That is, that speaks for itself. This card could represent like a family member too, okay, or even a friend that you love very much. But I feel with the lovers here, I feel that it is love on your mind, romantically. So whatever's going on here, that is definitely in your consciousness right now. Okay. Yeah, whatever went wrong for you or the other person in your relationship, we got the 9 of Swords here. It's in the advice position. So, yeah. My advice for you is learn from that, okay? Don't know who did what, but yeah. Don't be too up in your head about it, okay?
And the person crossing you could be a Gemini, by the way, because that's the Lover's card is Gemini.
Oh, yeah.
It just dawned on me. Sorry.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Is this is Gemini too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gemini's an air sign.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Gemini. So, yeah, don't be up in your heads about it, okay? Do think about it, but don't let it rule your life, okay? Okay, so, yeah. That's the advice. The other advice is Ace of Wands. That tells me start over. Yeah, okay.
Fresh, passionate start.
Yeah, I see this as give the other one a new chance, or let them give you a chance, something like that. Yeah. How do you feel about it, baby?
Yeah, exactly.
That's how I feel about this. Okay, I feel this is some love. I don't know for who this is, but yeah, it feels like turmoil in relationship. Yeah. It's special because I don't have had this before. No,
Yeah.
it's like the first time something like this.
Yeah.
Okay. How do you see yourself, Capricorn? King of Swords. I do believe you see yourself as somebody that states whatever is on his mind with authority. Also, not bending over for somebody. No, I'm seeing that wrong. Yeah, that's not a thing. Not easily pushed off his center. Okay, so that's how you see yourself. Also, learning all the time. Yeah, with these swords. But King of Swords is also open. Knows that it's also always something more to learn. I'm sorry, I'm messing up my words there. But yeah, that's how you see yourself, which is really good. Yeah. Don't get too cocky though, because that's to me.
He's
not,
very analytical.
Yeah, it's it's not personally to Capricorn, but this card is what I learned about it is very masculine card, like very cocky. Yeah, that's just how I feel about that card. Yeah, that's why I said it. Okay, how other people see you, the sun. So whatever's going on here, and perhaps with this Nine of Swords overthinking, it does not show on the outside because the sun is the happiest card in the deck. This could also mean enlightenment, childlike happiness. Okay, so it does not show on the outside for you. Okay, or it could also mean that other people want to see you this way. Okay, that might be even more appropriate for this reading. But yeah, I don't know. It could be one out of the two or
Yeah.
not. Yeah.
I agree.
Okay. Hopes and fears, defending moral high grounds. This could be a hope. Especially with this lovers and devil here. I feel that somebody, maybe does something wrong to you. And then in the future you're gonna be able to, hopefully defend your moral high grounds. Okay. Defending your ideas, standing up for what you believe in. That is also very much what this King of Swords talks about. Okay, standing up for what you believe in. But this is more in the vocal kind, like actually doing it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, definitely, I feel it's a hope.
Yeah.
Okay. Last card out, final outcome. Four of Cups. Now, usually this is focused on what you lack, or you've been given a cup. Okay, and a cup means love. You've been given love, but it's in reverse. So, you feel about this? Is it
I
like,
think they're focusing not on lack, but they're actually focusing on what they're grateful about.
okay, I see. Yeah, for a moment I was thinking there like maybe your cup is not coming anymore. Yeah, your cup will be diverted, but yeah, your explanation makes much more sense though. Yeah. Yeah.
They're
So
being grateful for what they do have.
Yeah.
Gratitude.
Gratitude, yep, so that's your future card, and you're gonna be learning from the situation, okay? Whatever this was for you. Devil and lovers. Okay. Maybe you guys are addicted to sex. Yeah. Hey, it's one of the meanings.
You never know. It could be.
It's one of the meanings.
Yep.
For realsies. Yeah. So yeah. There you
But
go.
the underlying energy is you are the Empress.
Yeah, very mothering, emotional, abundance energy. Okay.
Although the underlying energy could be the lover, which the Empress is a Taurus card. Isn't it? Yeah. It's Earth sign. And then the King of Coins is right under that. So yeah. Could be your other half is your underlying energy. Possibility.
It could be. But yeah.
Wow, fascinating.
Yeah, I always have trouble with the underlying. It's like, yeah, it's kind of an extra card to me, and I'm a Taurus, so I'm very like, that's the way it is. Like, 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 5 is not 11. This is like the 11 card. You know? That's just the way I think.
Yeah.
Although, most of the time it makes sense, but yeah. I have trouble with it. Okay! Your angel card, Capricorn. Spread your wings, Archangel Ariel. Do not hold back right now. The timing is perfect, and you are ready to soar. That's cool.
So the Empress is likely, based on that card, knocking stuff over. Based on that card, the Empress is, there's underlying energy is you're working on a creative project. You're trying to birth forward. And they're telling you, get on it.
Yeah.
Get on it.
Get on it.
Yeah. Do it.
Do it.
Embody the Empress.
I'll show him that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
First, let's do
That's
the
your
outro.
reading.
Let's do the outro and then.
Yeah.
Okay. Hope you like this reading. I hope it resonates a little bit. And yeah, comment, like, subscribe, and share. Join us on
Sunday evening
for the stream. You might get a free stream if you're on time. And
a free reading.
Yeah, if not, you can also book us for a private video reading. And yeah, you can also do that. The info will be in the description.
Yeah, and click the little bell so you get a
Yeah.
notification for that live stream. And share your earth energies with the chat room. We'd love to see you. And the live is 8 p.m. Central Time-ish.
Yeah.
Very close to 8
Yeah.
is when we try to start. So, anyway, love you to the moon and back.
Yeah.
Have a great week. Ta-ta, Capricorn.
Dark.